So I got another winning trade today. I have traded on the initial jobless claim data here. This is a strategy I've been working on from last couple of months, and finally I have completed all my backtesting till today's date. So now I'm going to upload the strategy tomorrow. As you can see here, all my testing has been done, and I've taken all this trade for 2022 and all the initial jobless claims that happens in 2022, that comes 4 times in a week. I have tested all that and have got some really nice results, which I'm going to share that with you. Initially, like I said, I planned to put the strategy in my course. I'm testing other fundamentals, other news factors as well, but this is a strategy I just want to give you away for free. And hopefully this weekend, tomorrow, Saturday, the latest, I'm going to upload it for you. So make sure you stay tuned and subscribe if you are new. So with that being said, let's move on to our today's analysis of natural gas, gold, and crude oil. So let's start with our favorite commodity, natural gas here. So right here, what do we have? So first, I want to clear that after my yesterday's video with my title, the title of the video was like the natural gas is heading towards $12 move. That doesn't mean that it's going to just straight away shoots up to $12. What I mean by that is heading towards $12. Of course, why I've said that is because the market is now pushing up. It's above the previous resistance, now turns to support, which would now likely to act as a buying area for natural gas. So with all getting together, we have the next resistance which I'm paying attention to take my sell trades is right here. This level is 11.77 that goes down to 11.16, and we have another major level right above that. So that is why I've said that is heading towards that. Doesn't mean that's going to go straight there. It can still fall from here, guys. I'm still look for a good entry reason to enter trades. I do not enter without no reason. So that is what technicals look like at this point. Many traders just look the thumbnail and the title and just directly message me and asking, is it going to $12? I said, no, please watch a full video. So right now, with that being said, let's start our analysis here. What do we have? Now, as you can see, as per my yesterday's video, I've said that market is now likely to act as a support, and we can see the indecisions with this doji, and then we have a bullish engulfer, and the market pushed up from here at this point, still pushing up. And I am still just want to give you a heads up, I still see a market to hit this 1.618 retracement, which is 9.992. Once we hit this, if you are in a buy trade, then it's a good idea to exit your trade at this point, because then we can expect a good pullback. We can even get a pullback to this zone again and then push up. But with my experience, once we have a hit of this zone, we can expect at least 2 to 3 candle pullback followed by an engulfing candle, and then we can take another entry until we reach this zone. So once we are between our selling and buying zone, we only take the pullback entries. Once we hit this zone, we take counter trades, and if we break above this zone, we take trend continuation trades. So this is how I take my trades and do my own analysis. So at this point, just want to give you a heads up, guys. This is the point I'm looking at. I'm not in the trade at this point for natural gas, but this is the point I would look if I'm in a trade to exit my trades. Okay, right here on Owanda, now you can see the market is pushing up, broken above the previous resistance, which has now turned into support. And as per my yesterday's video, I'm still expecting a market to push up and hit 1.618 retracement, which is 9.803. If you are in a trade, then this is a good idea to exit your trade at this point. Then I will wait for at least 2 to 3 candle pullback to take another long trades. If we have a good entry reason, I will not enter, or I never enter without any entry reasons. I'm not in this trade at this point, but I'm just giving you a heads up. This is what you can expect after hitting this point. It is on one down 9.803. I expect good push down. It can still push down to this green zone, then push up. So I will look the conditions accordingly, and I'll update you guys as usual. As of course, I update you every single day. So please make sure you hit the like button for me. So that's what it looks like once we have a hit of this red zone, which is a minus zone. On Wanda, it is 10.415 that goes up to 10.881. And once we have a hit of this zone, I will either look for my counter trades as a double top or in golfer. If we have a break and close above, I will look for a trend continuation trades out of this zone to the next level of resistance that is right up there, which is a major zone. This is not a major zone, but still I will look for a good entry reason and look for a less aggressive way once we hit this counter trading zone. So that's all for natural gas. Still looks bullish to me. As you can see, this candle looks bullish to me as well. If we close here, then this will likely to become as a 382 candle or 25% candle. So right here, let's check gold. So gold, we had a good entry reason here, but market pushed down. Now what do we have? At this point, is still rejecting our rejection zone. So this is how I take my double bottom trades. Market pushed up, we had a pullback, came back down, has not closed below this rejection zone. So we are getting this bullish engulfer. Once we have a good close, break and close above this zone or this previous candle, then we have a likely chances the market will push up. And let me give you the targets as well. So just place a long position here once we have a close above this red candle. Check the ATR. The ATR of this candle is 8 at this point. Move your stop loss, take profit to 8. Stop loss 8. Right here, this is how your position will look like. So it will be $8 position. Once you have this reason to enter, then enter your trades. And if this candle pushes down, then there's likely chances that the market will continue its trend downwards. So this is what it looks to me for gold. Let's check crude oil. Okay, right here. Finally, after waiting from last whole week, I've been telling you guys to wait until we hit this zone. And yesterday, in my yesterday's video, I had a good idea that market will push up to this zone. Let me show you what I've said in my previous video so that we can connect the dots from there. Oil is in a ranging mode. It's not actually moving much. And now I can expect a good push up anytime out of crude oil. And once we have a good push up, this is a zone I will be looking to enter my sell trades. Okay, awesome. So what do we have? Now we have a hit of the zone and we have 161 retracement here. So you can still expect a good push up to 118.016, but that is also good enough to take your entries. Now, if you can move down to 1 hour time frame, okay, right here, we have a hit of this zone. And now, if you get a next bigger candle, red candle, this will be your entry and targets will be 180R below, 180R above. So this is how you will enter this trade on 1 hour time frame. On 4 hour time frame, what I do, I will look for another green candle and then I will look for a red candle. As this is a major level of resistance, I would enter with an aggressive way. But if you still want to enter in a conservative way, you can wait for a double top move, an extra confirmation to take your short trades. And as you can see, we have an overbought situation in the RSI as well. So looking at all the factors, this is my selling area and I will look for my sell trades once we have a good entry reason. Again, guys, only enter with the entry reason. I will not enter sell trades right here. So just wait, be patient, enter with a good entry, and even and then if you hit a stop loss, that's totally fine. You followed your rules. I keep my strategy same every single time. If I hit my stop loss once, twice, thrice, four times, five times, keep my strategy and never change my strategies because I know I've tested my strategy and that has given me a profitable result over a large sample of size. So whatever strategy you're following, never change your strategies. Even if it's mine or if even if you have learned from somewhere else, keep it same every time. So that's all for commodity market, guys. If you have any questions, buzz me on Instagram. I'll get back to you ASAP. Hope you trade green rest of the week. I'll see you guys in the next video. Till then, take care.